My name is Guillaume Roquel. I'm Technical Sales Engineer at Welding Alloys Machine Department. I'm pleased to present you the new generation of World Cladder. The main advantage we have at Welding Alloys is the collaboration between departments. We develop, manufacture, test and improve our machine with support from wire department as well as integral services. Through combining these skills, we are able to offer our customer machines that are user-friendly, reliable and robust. The machine can operate 24 hours a day. That means less downtime and increase the productivity for the customer. You can easily change the wear parts if needed. We have a very intuitive user interface. That means the welder can easily understand what's the effect of every action he made on the screen. To change the dwell, you have to select Menu, Oscillation, Configuration, and here you have negative dwell or positive dwell. You select negative dwell, enter the value, and confirm. And now you change the dwell. So this is interesting. We can program the wire feed. You just have to enter the speed you need on the wire feeder, confirm the speed, and it will keep the speed inside. Actually, you can change all the settings you want just by few clicks on the user interface.
For the after sales, we propose to the customer to support during the training, and we continue to support remotely the customer. Our machines are designed from our workshop here in Colmar. We are able, after the installation and during the commissioning, to upgrade the machine to make the features on the machine be nearer to the application of our customer. And we have on our machines more parts which have a global access. That makes that we can purchase those parts anywhere in the world, and that makes it easier to deliver the part in a very short time.
We purchased a large integrated welding machine from Welding Alloys back in 2011, and it was a great experience, one of the most fun capital equipment projects that I've ever worked on. One of the bad things about buying the machine from Welding Alloys that we did is it made it very apparent that all of our other welding equipment is not nearly as good. So I've got to deal with welders in the shop begging me for new equipment all the time, and they fight over who gets to run the Welding Alloys machine.